folks, it's me again with the wobbly camera, and I have a what do you call it, helper in the back. First I'm going to start with the weekly what's new. What's new, I got what's new this week. I didn't do much this weekend because I spent almost my whole weekend at a funeral. My grandmother passed away. I was sitting outside and having a wonderful Friday. It was like perfect weekend. Actually, beginning of the weekend, I was sitting there carving little wooden, I was carving little wooden toy guns out of like twigs that look like whatever. And everybody was playing, and they were sitting around a fire, and I got a phone call, and they're like, you gotta go to the hospital. Your grandmother's not gonna make it for another like 3 days. And then I got another phone call later. I was gonna go there like whenever she got to the hospital. I was just waiting. Got a phone call, and they're like, sorry, she didn't make it more than probably 10 minutes after she got there. So, with that said, spent, 2-3 days hanging around a funeral home. Yeah, it sucks, but she lived 95 years. Like, I can't even fathom. Plus, she was shopping for shoes last week. So, I think that's what I was told. She was out shopping last week, so you got to hand it to her that 95 years old, and you're still able to go out shopping the week before you kick the bucket. So that's, most people don't get to go wander around the mall and just do whatever with their daughter. So with that said, she lived a long life. I mean, it's crazy. What got me the most was we were the first, me and all my cousins, my brother, and the whole gang of them. We were all the first batch of grandchildren, and then later in the last 20 years, or maybe 20 years or so, there's like a whole new batch of grandchildren / great grandchildren, and I felt bad for them because we got to see her through her whole life, and they got to see the end of her life. So it's, I felt more sad for them because it sucks. I was a pallbearer, which isn't the greatest freaking. I mean, it's an honor to be a pallbearer, but it also sucks donkey being, because it's. You don't want to be a pallbearer. Nobody wants to be a pallbearer, but it's something you do out of respect. So, with that said, I'm back in the garage. I have the taps. I have the finger that's almost healed. Yeah, in my last video, my finger got sliced open by a shed. So, it's looking pretty gruesome, but it's still got a slice in it. I don't know what's going on with it. It doesn't stink. It doesn't hurt. It's not bright red, and it's not oozing out, so it's healing okay. Tonight I got a few videos I want to make, but other than that, the channel's still going. If you're my 1,657th subscriber, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe. Tell me what you're up to, and wave hi. We got visitors. So thanks for watching, and pretty much it's mostly bikes. It's new so far. Got a couple of new tools. In fact, I have one I'm going to pick it up Friday. It's not actually a tool for me, but I might use it because it's a mini dental, it's an ultrasonic cleaner made for dentures and, what do you call it, teeth thing. Why did I buy it? Because my daughter has a retainer, and I was cleaning it, so I was like, you know what? So I was like, maybe I got some things that could fit in that. And I'll see how big it is. Maybe clean some bolts. Put some vapor rust in it. So anyway, with that said, that's it. I'm going to show you that. And there's lots more videos. I'm going to have a whole box full of stuff I'm making videos of. Still haven't got to it. So thanks for watching. Doodles.